Now, what I had planned today was to make a video about a very useful app that I use. And I completely stopped what I was doing once I discovered something. Okay, bear with me. Did you know that you can record, edit, and upload video in Canva? Why haven't I heard of this? I've never heard this. Every time I see a video selling Canva, they just talk about, how it's a design app and da da da, which it is, and that's great. But record, edit, and upload video? If I'm lying, I am dying. Because I was literally today years old, like this moment years old, when I figured it out. And I'm sorry if I'm making a big deal out of it, but in my world, it's a big deal. Okay? It's a big deal to me because I had no idea. And oh my lordy. All right, let's go to it. I want to show you because this may be a life-changing moment for me. Like, I know I'm being dramatic, but just bear with me, okay? I've had a very difficult technological situation going on the last few days, so. All right, let's get into it. Here we go. Record a video online, yes, please. Okay, and then it was like, okay, this is the stuff you can do, and I was literally sitting here like, I can't believe what I'm seeing. And I was like, okay, maybe maybe it's limited. Holy cow. So it can do the dual camera thing. It can put me in there and record my screen. I promise I don't normally get this excited about stuff, but this is exciting. Okay, so you can choose to only share, whatever tab you have open in your browser. So like if I only wanted to do that, if I wanted to do oh, I didn't make that. Okay, so what I was doing was sharing an app on my phone. Okay, so I can share. Oh, let's see if it. Right, so this will be a little sneak peek into what I was going to talk about, but I'm not going to talk about this now. I'm going to talk about Canva. Talk about Canva. Okay, so this kitty cat. Fuzz. Hold on. Fuzz. Oh, come here, Fuzz. Come here, Fuzz. Oh, oh, oh. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Just a little bit of torture. Say hi. Say hi. There he is. He's He does weird things at night, though. I'm pretty sure those of you with cats would agree. All right, so distracted by Fuzz. Forgive me. This is not a how-to. This is a impromptu. Holy cow. Okay. Style? Because I just want to make my own. So they have templates. They have ones that you can use and then add stuff to them. Where's just the blank one? I can't believe all this is in here. And you know what? Yeah, I'm right. Okay. A lot of these you don't have to have a pro account. I'm super I'm super. Okay, so where do I go to just start a new blank one? Can y'all help me out here? Nature, birthday, background. Simple background. Background black. Background blue. Gradient background. Ooh. White background. I don't know. I just want to start a video. Aesthetic. This one looks similar to what I've already got going. This is so cool. Okay. 2021. Has this been on here for that long? I had no idea. I had no idea. Curtains, huh? Okay, I'm getting really distracted. There we go. Do you see that? Ah, yeah, I need this aesthetic after. Oh, no, don't stop. Dealing with the pets. Oh, it stops on its own. Okay. Okay. Guys, this is lovely. This is bomb.com. I said it. How do I start my layout? Oh, I mean, I suppose it doesn't really matter because what I was going to show you, it doesn't. But I'm going to figure this out and I will be making another video on how to do it. Oh, can I draw while I'm filming? Yo, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh my goodness. So I could be doing all this at the same time. That's so cool. Those days are gone. We're in Canva now. All right. So sorry, VHS. And it's funny because all growing up we didn't call it VHS. Like that's a new word or newly used term. Hey, another throwback. I never had one. I really wanted one, but we were broke as jokes. Oh my goodness. I really need to stop. Magic media. Ooh, will this do this in real time? Oh no, okay. Magic media. Videos. This is so cool. This is so cool. I'm literally in disbelief. Now, can I download it? Is that free? I guess it's free. This is so awesome. There's so many applications for this. For a very short while I was teaching, I would have loved to have been able to use this. All right, let me bring it back for a second. All right, so can I make a small confession? Just a little confession. I never used to like Canva. I used to not like it at all because, it felt like everything I wanted to use was in the paid version. At the time, I wasn't using it enough to justify paying for it. And I had a different uh, application that I was using, and I still use that one. I like it a lot. The other one I use is it used to be called the Over app, but now it's part of GoDaddy Studios. I still love it. Um, they just haven't really seemed to catch up with the AI and a lot of that integration stuff. But they do so many other things that I think they just, haven't gotten to it yet because they do, websites and all of that stuff. So, the other cool thing that I discovered that this Canva video thing does is I'm going to show you. Record myself. Camera will be this one. Hey, what was I going to show you? Yes. So you can apply filters if you want. I don't really like to do it. I like to just, my face is my face type thing. Okay. Oh, I always think these look really cool. Oh, minty. Yes, minty. Okay. I'm having way too much. There you go. Uh, okay, way too much fun. I can add notes. So I can be like, I want to say this right now. Okay. So what it was doing, and I will figure it out so I can actually show you properly. Basically, what it was is it was a setting you could set that even if you weren't looking at the camera, I think it was called eye contact or something. Even if you weren't looking at the camera, it would somehow digitally, in real time, edit your eyes so it looked like you were. It was trippy. It was cool. So, because a lot of times, especially if I'm doing like showing something on my screen, I'm looking at my screen, so it looks like I'm looking down. It's kind of awkward. But with that feature, uh, it can look like I'm still kind of looking at you guys. I think that's pretty cool. All right. Now there's a lag, and I think it's because my internet's not that great. But um, tis what it is. Like I said, uh, I was never interested in Canva before. I thought, at first it was, I feel like some things could be better. But then I was looking into side hustles to try to do more videos for you guys to help us all get out of debt. And I was watching Wholesale Ted, shout out to her. And she does a lot of Canva, you know, uh, suggesting to use Canva to make designs and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, 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 fine, Sarah. I'm gonna get the pro and see what I can do. And so I did that, and so I've been using it because I'm in the 30-day trial. I want to use it as much as possible because uh, so I know if I want it or not before I keep paying for it. And I really dig it. I really dig it. Now I don't want to push the idea of doing designs and stuff. I don't mean push, but I'm just mentioning it casually because I want to wait and see if I actually make any money doing it before I suggest anybody else do it. So that's why I have not yet made videos about how to make money doing it. But maybe I could make videos about how I make my designs, but I don't know. It's neither here nor there really at this point because I haven't made any money yet. Uh, so yeah. Once I do, if I do, I will let you know. And if I don't make any money after fair amount of time, I'll let you know that too. So, yeah. However, if you just so happen to be interested in Canva anyway, especially if just to use it for the video editing, I highly suggest you do because it's free to use this part. I don't see anywhere where it says um, to record and edit is not free and to download your recording. So I think that's pretty generous. I'm pretty impressed. And wide range of uses. PowerPoint, Google Drive, Instagram, Twitter, X, formerly known as Twitter, uh, TikTok, Facebook. I mean, it's incredible. You can make presentations. Sky's the limit. Y'all that are in school now, you are very, very, very spoiled. We did not have these things not that long ago. Y'all didn't have to do the library tour where you learn the Dewey Decimal System and stacks of these little drawers with the um, call numbers and index cards and yada yada yada, and librarians that were not very nice. They're a lot nicer now. Yeah, very very spoiled. I'd like to see you do research paper in my day. Back in my day. Challenge for you. Do research papers without the internet. I'm pretty sure you almost can't anymore. All right, so yeah, I highly recommend you check out Canva, especially if you make any type of content. I am fully on board now. I went from do I have to use it to I'll try it because, this person that I like is saying give it a try, give it a shot, and then to full-blown fan. I'm a full-blown fan. And I'm going to start using this to make some videos and stuff and see if I like it. Because if I like this, I'm going to probably keep the Pro because I also like some of the other things. Um, I really like, being able to play with the AI. And I like, there's lots and lots of fonts. I love that. I'm not very good yet at picking the appropriate font for certain designs. I think that's definitely the hardest part. Um, I love that I can just draw on here for stuff. Uh, Man, it just goes on and on. Like it's endless what I have actually found about this that I do like a lot. I loves it. She's now my precious. Needs it. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so giddy. Like, it truly is the little things in life. Because, I was having a decent day, good day. I was excited to sit down and try to teach people about something I think they could benefit from, and then I stumble across this. I'm literally blown away. Literally blown away. Oh, what I was gonna say is, if you really want to try out Canva Pro, I suggest it, especially if you do any design work. If you're a teacher, if you make stuff for your church, if you have presentations for school, if you have any of that stuff, highly, highly, highly recommend it. Trying it. Um, I was going to pull up my affiliate link for you, but I was not planning on. Oh, do I have to apply to be an affiliate? I think I do. That's okay. Just get it. If you want it, get it. As I always say, you don't have to use any of my links. I don't care. What I suggest to you is what I think is worth trying. All right, guys, this is Money on Purpose. I am Stephanie. The main purpose of my channel is to show and document my own personal journey of getting out of debt, at least trying to, and to try to hopefully motivate, inspire, uh, maybe just to show people that, it's not just you, it's not just me, it's all of us, and you can do it. I'm doing it. And let's all get out of debt. And let's look to the future. Let's look to the next thing. Let's get some side hustles going. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening to me. I see I have several new subscribers and I love you. I really hope that this content is helping you. I really do. That is the pinnacle of my day is seeing that people are seeing my stuff. Hopefully can relate. So I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.